Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are starting page number 58 of Quran, and this is Surah Al-Imran, ayah number 62. We are starting from 62. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن هذا لهو القصص الحق. Inna, Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with noon, and noon will get gunna, and this is kamila, gunna kamila, so it will take longer time in your nose. So it is called gunna kamila. So we'll write capital G at the top of noon, so we don't skip that gunna. Inna, and fatha is very short. Gunna is longer, but not fatha. Inna, ha, from last part of your throat, and it is 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Be sure you engage the right makhraj. La, short. Hu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Well, waw is short, but circle your lips for waw because the makhraj of waw is in your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get the wasut. Well, qa is heavy, so make sure you make qaf heavy. Qa, the fatha is short. Sa is heavy and fatha is short. Sul, for dhamma, make sure you circle your lips every time you see dhamma. You cannot skip to make your lips circled if you see dhamma. Sul, and give the wasut. The wasut is a medium flow of sound. Sul, this sound is the wasut. Sul, haqq. Okay, so we are stopping at the shadda letter which has qalqala. So what we do, we attach ha with qaf. Although this qaf is with sukoon, but we will not give qalqala here on the first qaf, but we will create qalqala on the second qaf. So we will apply the sifa of shidda here. We will cut off the sound, but we will keep qaf heavy when we are attaching ha with qaf. Qaf will stay heavy, but it will emit there will be no sifa of qalqala here, but we will create qalqala on the second qaf. Look how I am doing it. Ha, this is the first step. Ha, and the second step is q. Ha, q. Ha, q. So this is the mechanism whenever you find any qalqala letter with tashdid and where you are stopping, you will apply the same rule. You are not bringing qalqala on the first letter, but you are bringing it on the second, the last one. Inna hadha lahuwa al-qasasul haqq. Wa, now for waw, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Min, for kasra, give E sound and attach with noon. Noon will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. This sound is tawassut, okay? Min, E. Hamza is very sharp and short sound, and for kasra, give E sound. Make sure your E shouldn't skip for any kasra. E. La is 2 counts long. Hin, again, there is kasra, so give E sound and then give noon sakin sound. Hin, this will be this. This is actually this, what you are looking like this. We don't write noon sakin, but we indicate it with second kasra or second dhamma or second fatha. So This is he for give the E sound first. The first step is to give E sound, and the second step is to give tawassut. If there is idhar, yes, there is idhar because there is hamza after it. Izhar letter, which izhar letters are kha, ghain, ha, ain, hamza, ha. These are the 6 letters. Whenever you find these 6 letters after tanween or noon sakin, you create idhar. And idhar is to make the sound very clear. And that clear sound will get tawassut too, because that is noon sakin. And whenever noon sakin, len omar. Len omar are the letters where you create tawassut. And noon is one of them. So you will create the wasat two. Ilahin hin illallah. Hamza has E sound, and Hamza is very sharp. It's not in your mouth. It will be created from your throat, and it should be very sharp and clear and short and attached with lam. Illallah. Lafz Jalla wa'ala will be heavy here because there is fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. And it will be 4 counts long because this is madarat lisakun, and how will get the rakhawa. Right, you're right. How will get rakhawa. وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ Lafz Jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha before it. La short, hu short. For dhamma, circle your lips, and it should be from your throat. Waw will be attached with lam, and now we get the wasat. La hu wal ain from your throat. It should be very much clearly from your throat, not from your mouth, and it's a very uncomfortable feeling in throat to say ain. If you are not feeling uncomfortable, then it's not ain. I'm telling you. Yes, we are not used to this letter. So whenever we say it, we have uncomfortable feeling in our throat. It should be that clear, and it should be that loud. Z. There should be Z sound in this Z, and no seen. No, it's not mixture of seen and Z. If you wanted to hear your sound, if it's Z or S, so record your sound. Say Z. It shouldn't be S. It shouldn't be. It should be Z very clearly. Z is 2 counts long. Zul, for Dhamma, circle your lips. And again, there should be Z sound in za, and attached with lam. Lam will get the wasat. Zul, ha. Ha should have the sound first, and then you are giving fatha. Ha, ki. Kaf is light, and that will be 4 counts long. And meme will get tawassut. Tawassut is a medium glop sound. Kim. وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. This sound should be there because it's tawassut. Why we are doing so? Because this is part of the amal. There's hums. Always fa is getting hums whenever you look at it. This sound should be there before fatha. It's ikhfa. Your tongue should be straight because there is ta coming up, and ta is a light letter. So you are keeping your tongue straight. This sound should be there for the ikhfa with ta whenever you are creating ikhfa with ta. Hamza, don't skip Hamza. Don't skip the sound of Hamza. Hamza is very sharp. And then after that, you are creating ikhfa. You are hiding the sound of noon. You are going towards the makhraj of ta, and you are not, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. So these are the 3 steps of ikhfa. فَإِن ta is very sharp sound. It is part of shidda letters. Ajid qatim bakat sa. Yeah. Ta law is lean, so it will be 2 counts long. Ya lean and wow lean. Wow sakina qablaha maftuh and ya sakina qablaha maftuh. These are the 2 harf lean. And lean are the letters which you have to pronounce very softly, very softly. Law, fa has hums. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short, but there should be hums before it. This sound should be there in fa. Fa, in, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get gunna and gunna kamila. So give a very nice sound here, very long gunna attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala is heavy here because there is fatha before lafz jalala. And for fatha, open your jaws. Ayn from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Li, 2 counts long. Li, mum. For dhamma, circle your lips. When you are attaching with meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Here, when you are saying this part, your lips should be in circle position. When you are saying this meme, this is with sukoon, right? So your lips should be in a straight position. Mumtil. For kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Muf. For dhamma, circle your lips attached with fa. Fa will get hums. Very nice hums because it's with sukoon. Muf. Si. For kasra, give e sound. Deen. فإن تولوا فإن الله عليم بالمفسدين. قل, for dhamma, circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Lam will be light, not heavy. Only qaf will be heavy. Qul, for saying lam and creating tawassut, you are keeping your tongue straight, very straight. If it is lifted up because of qaf and you're not changing position of tongue, that will be a problem. So keep your tongue up. Lift your tongue up for qaf to make it heavy. But as soon as you touch lam, your tongue should be in a straight position. It shouldn't be bended. It shouldn't be lifted up. It shouldn't be doing anything. Qul, yeah, it's very soft letter and it is 4 counts long here. Yeah, Hamza is very sharp attached with ha. Ha will get rakhawa. Lam, this lam is light. Only lafz jalala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is sometimes heavy, sometimes light. But other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name lam, every lam is light. So don't say any lam heavy when lal. This will get tawassut. Lal, ki is very light, and ki is there is no hums. Make sure you don't bring hums in kaf when it is mutaharika. It is with fatha dhamma kasra. No hums should be there. Ki, very clear sound. Ki, ta, bi is short. Ta is very sharp sound. Fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Again, very uncomfortable sound should be there in your throat. Ta, practice it well. low, 2 counts long, I, short, la, 2 counts long, ka, short, no humps, ka, clear sound. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short, li, short, ma, short. Don't bend your lips inside when you are saying meme. Meme is a very simple letter. By just touching the upper lip to the lower lip, and don't bend, don't stress it at all. Ma, this is ikhfa, and learn how to say ikhfa with seen. Your lips, your tongue should be in a straight position. For first, you say e sound because there is kasra, e sound, and then ikhfa, that you are hiding the sound of tanween. You're going towards the makhraj of seen, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Ikhfa has a greater part of gunna. By saying keeping gunna in your nose, you are keeping the tongue very straight because seen is a light letter. كلمات س is short, و 4 counts long, this is iqlab. When you are saying e, say e sound attached with meme, and give a nice gunna in your keep a nice gunna in your nose. Bay is 2 counts long. What is that? Yes, lean. Bayna, na is short. Na, second na is long. Bayna, na, wa, for wow, or circle your lips, for fatha, open your jaws. Bay, 2 counts long. Na, short. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get the wasut. Allah, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with lam. Lam will be 2 counts long because it is mad letter. Allah, na'buda, na. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with ayn. Ayn will get the wasut, and the sound should be from your throat. There should be uncomfortable feeling in your throat when you are saying ayn. If it's not there, you are not saying ayn. So be careful. Bu. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Bu, da is short and very sharp sound. Illallah. Hamza is very sharp for kasra. Give e sound. This lam is light, but the moment you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy for and this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long by default. You are always making it long, whether there is standing fatha or no. And in Mashaf Usmani, you will not find standing fatha because this is long by default. Illallah, ha is short, wa short, la 2 counts long, nush for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch sheen, your lips should be in a straight position. There is rakhawar, there's the fashi, so many things are going on. So the sound should flow very well. Nush, ri, ka, ri is light, sound is very short, ka is short, bi short. He 2 counts long. Shay, this is lean, 2 counts long. Shay, ow, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow, and wow will get gunna, nice gunna, because this is idgham with gunna. Shay, ow, wa is short. La 2 counts long. Yet, yeah, is very light letter. Don't bring very harsh and sharp sound for ya. Ya is very soft and attached with ta, ya, as there is no muscles in in tongue. This is the way you say ya, and ta is very sharp. This is the beauty of Quran, that some letters are very sharp, some are very soft, and this is the beauty when you recite the Quran on its rules, mashallah. Ta is short. Qi for kasra, give E sound. This is a heavy letter. Keep it heavy. The ولا يتخذ the ain from your throat. The wasut very nicely. The for dhamma, circle your lips. Keep it heavy. It is heavy, so keep it heavy. Make sure you practice it well. The na 2 counts long. The ain from your throat. One tawassut, because there is idhar. Aw, hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ra. Ra will get tawassut, and ra is heavy too. Aw, ba 2 counts long. Bam, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with mim. Mim will get gunna kamila. So the gunna should be very long. Bami for kasra. Kasra is very short and sharp and very light. Then there is ikhfa. Say me and then go to ikhfa. Don't miss this me sound. Do 2 counts long. Nila. Say this E sound, then go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and that is light. So you're not making it heavy because there is kasra before it. Make it 4 counts long and give rakhawa on ha. Dunillah. Fa. Give nice hums on fa. Fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. For hamza, give a very sharp sound. For kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short. The sound is when you are creating this ikhfa, your tongue should be in a very straight position. And see how I'm saying it. Say the same way. Ta is very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Wallow, 2 counts long, because this is this is what? Lean. Yeah. There's hums. For fatha, open your jaws. Off, make off heavy and make it 2 counts long. Lush. Lam will not be any more long because this lam is attached with sheen, and sheen will get rakhawa. Lush. Lush. Faqulush. Ha is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Do 2 counts long. B for kasra, give E sound. An, hamza is very sharp, attached with noon. Noon will get gunna. Give nice time on gunna. An, and then there is mad letter 2. So na, bi anna. Mus. For dhamma, circle your lips. The moment you touch seen, your lips should be in a straight position, and there will be safir, rakhawa. So many things going on. Mus. Li is short. 4 counts long. Noon will get the wasut. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.